Comparison between Indian numeral system and international numeral system. Objectives. Correlation between Hindu-Arabic system and the international system. Introduction. In Kolkata, one of the most popular library is National Library. It is a very big library and has a huge collection of books. It has more than 20 lakh books. In London, one of the most popular library is London Library. It has more than 1 million books and periodicals in over 50 languages. Now can you tell me which library has more number of books? Here, the number of books of the National Library is represented in Hindu-Arabic system, and the number of books of London Library is represented in the international system. Let us learn the relation between Hindu-Arabic system and the international system. Let us put a place value chart according to the Indian numeral system. Starting from the right hand side is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, followed by thousands, 10,000s, lakhs place, 10 lakh, followed by crore and 10 crore. Let us try to read this number according to the system. We will place this number under the place value chart, which is according to the Indian numeration system. How many 10 lakhs are there? There are 2 10 lakhs. That means 20 lakhs. In London Library, the number of books is more than 1 million. So when we are talking about millions, we are using the international number system. Let us see the place value chart according to the international number system. What are the places in the international system starting from the right side? Ones, tens, hundreds, followed by thousands, 10,000s. 100,000 followed by millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Place the number. It is 1 million. What do we see here? 1 million is same as 10 lakhs. The important thing to remember here is 1 million or 10 lakh both are equal to 1 followed by 6 zeros. You may read it with different name, but the value is the same in both the systems. Which library has more number of books? National Library. Because it has more than 20 lakh books. That means more than 2 million books. How do we generalize this? We can say that 1 million is the same as 10 lakh. Million or 10 lakh both represent the same value and both are equal to 1 followed by 6 zero, which is nothing but 1,000 thousands. Let us see how the Indian numeral system and international systems are related. We will put the place value charts of both the systems. Let us see the similarities. Ones, tens and hundreds places are the same. So we can say the ones period in both the systems are the same. Next we come to thousands and 10,000s places which are same. Look, the difference begins here. In the Indian system, we call it as lakh and it is called as 100,000 in the international system. So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Understood? Next, we come to 10 lakh place or millions place. Both are equal to 1,000 thousands. Clear? Similarly, 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 10 crore is equal to 100 million. That was the correlation between the two systems. Now we will learn how to read large numbers according to both systems. Let us take a large number. 342617803. So first, let us place the digits in the place value chart of the Indian numeral system. There are 3 ones, 0 tens, 8 hundreds, 7 thousands, 1 10,000, 6 lakhs, 2 10 lakhs, 4 crores and 3 10 crores. We read the number according to their periods. It is read as 34 crore 26 lakh 17,803. Now let us read the number in the international system. Let us place the digits in the place value chart. 3 ones, 0 tens, 8 hundreds, 7 thousands, 1 10,000, 6 hundred thousands, 2 millions, 4 10 millions and 300 millions. We can read it as 342,617,803.